It's hair surgery. It's herdery. Did you hate that?
Yeah, a little bit. Hated it a little bit.
Okay, Sinead, are you ready for this?
I mean, I don't know if I'm ready for this.
I mean, if my current state of hair gives you any clue as to what we're doing.
Well, I did see you like 2 days ago, and you did have a lot more hair, right?
Yeah.
So
I know what we're doing.
One can only guess or infer, make observations, but let me read this clue just to see if it's gonna confirm my suspicions. Yeah. Can I have your extensions, please? Wow, that's pretty straightforward. Don't you do like a crazy type of hair extensions?
Yeah, so it's a new method that I got once, and it has grown out, so I just got them removed, and now I have to get them reinstalled, freshened up.
Reinstalled.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, I'm wearing my extensions right now, but mine, I've always just worn the clip-in ones.
You reinstall yours every day.
I reinstall mine by myself every day.
The girls from The Bachelor and The Bachelorette franchise get this method. That's actually how I discovered it. And it's way less damaging.
Yeah, and that's like the biggest thing about extensions. Well, this is exciting. Does it hurt?
Oh, you are flying. Jeez. So I brought you along because you and I have both, prior to this, we've both lived the hair extension clip-in life. So I knew you would understand.
That's my current life.
And I want to like show you this and see if like
I'm ready to take the plunge.
I can convert you. Oh my God, I'm so excited to get my hair back.
You're gonna feel like yourself again.
I feel naked. Hello. Hi.
Welcome back.
Thank you. I brought help.
Hi, I'm Sinead.
Hi,
nice to meet you.
She's here to keep us company, and she also has extensions, so I'm hoping we can like convert her.
Oh yeah, you picked a good day to do this because my clip-ins look awful, so it's gonna be a good comparison.
Well, my short hair looks awful, so I need you to fix me.
You're naked right now without your mermaid hair.
Does it feel weird?
It feels so weird.
Did you wash your hair and were you like, where's the rest of my hair?
I was like scrubbing my scalp. It was like giving me goosebumps. It felt so good.
No, that's so funny.
But now I like can't.
But you're like over it now and you just want them back.
I'm just like, is my hair even moving?
Are you ready to get started?
Yeah, let's
Let's put that hair in.
Thank you.
So we're gonna do the hand-tied extensions, and that is a newer technique where there's no messy glue, no tape to deal with. It's sewn in. You're gonna have 2 rows today, and in each row, your first row will probably have 8 wefts, and then your second row will just kind of help blending, and you'll have less wefts in the second row. The other thing too that we do is with Loryn, we did like a custom color. We just rooted this, and then that way when the wind blows, you're not gonna see blonde extension right at the top. So the hair lasts up to a year as long as you take good care of it. And Loryn takes good care of her hair, so. The first step that we have to do is section off her hair for our first row that we're gonna apply.
This is so fascinating because I've always only had clip-ins. I've always just been like, clip, 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 like never really actually sat down and had this done professionally ever.
You can't even really tell where the beads were, can you?
No.
There's no kink.
Right.
You can't even tell I had extensions in.
It's 100% Remy hair, so it's real hair, and you can just do what you normally do. You can wash, blow dry it, curl it, put products in it.
So how long does the whole process take? Like from the time you section off the hair till the time it's done?
Usually 3 hours.
Whoa.
Yep. I'm gonna throw this back here.
Oh yeah, I can put it down for you.
Thank you.
You're so good at that. Oh my God. You're really good at hair handling. And it also feels like I'm getting stitches in my scalp.
I was gonna say, this looks like surgery.
It doesn't hurt. It doesn't hurt. But it is just this weird sensation of watching something sharp with a string attached go that close to my scalp.
First bead is clamped. So now we finished inserting the beads. Now the miracle happens.
This is
the hair.
my first row of 2, right?
Yes.
This looks crazy right now.
What do you mean?
It looks wild. Like, it's so weird to see, but I also will say it looks so neat, and that does something for my OCD. It's like this perfect, like, every bead is like perfectly spaced apart. I love it.
So we have to first clip the hair into place, and I'm gonna stack like 8 wefts in this first row.
So how long have you been doing this method of extensions were you doing? I mean, have you been doing extensions for a really long time, just in general?
I was just doing the tape-in extensions, but this method I went and trained maybe like 5 months ago.
So do you think this is gonna get as popular? I mean, you said you were doing tape extensions, because I remember for a minute there, tape extensions were all over.
It's kind of like blowing up right now, but there's not a lot of people in Los Angeles that are doing it just yet.
All the contestants from The Bachelor
Right.
go to Arizona to get this method from Hair by Chrissy.
That's
and
so funny.
she learned it, and now maybe the Bachelorette girls can just come here. Do you like this more than when you were doing the tape-in extensions?
Absolutely.
How come?
I mean, well, the tape-ins take no time, but I love this method because it's the least amount of contact with your hair, your own hair, so that means there's no damage.
I feel like myself again, which is hilarious because myself was who we saw a minute ago.
But you know, you get used to length, and it does, like, it makes total sense that you get them out and be like, something's off, something's off.
It just like changes how like confidence level. Like when you love your hair, you carry yourself differently.
I say this all the time. You can literally not wear a drop of makeup. If your hair is done, you are fine to leave the house. You can wear a full face of makeup, and if your hair looks like shit, you can't can't go out.
So this hair is made by hand, but also there's hand-tied hair that's made by a machine. So there's a huge difference in the seam. The seam is like very thin for the handmade one, and then the machine wefts the seam is thicker.
So this is
this is just more natural, more natural looking.
This part's a little tight. It's okay. Beauty is pain.
It freaks me out, not like once they're in there that they're in there, but also just seeing how well Loryn's hair adjusted makes me want to do it, just based on that alone, because all I'm doing is damaging my hair.
And like, what's 2 months?
Right, and I wear my extensions most times anyways.
You should try it, and then if after 2 months you hate it, you can take it out and go back to clip-in extensions.
Clevver will pay for it, so you're never late again.
Oh my God, that's genius! Don't people who have like naturally curly hair, can't you buy curly hair extensions and get those installed? So then your hair's like
but I don't think people actually do that. I know that that's a thing, I've seen it done before, but I'm saying in general, I don't think a lot of people are doing that.
It's not a popular.
It's also like, you have curly hair.
You probably have a lot of hair.
It's also, one, that, but also like you shouldn't really be messing with curly hair. Like it's really bad for it, you know? Like you're not even supposed to brush curly hair.
What?
So.
Okay, so now her first row is in.
Honestly, I didn't feel like it took that long.
It didn't.
It was so quick.
Yeah.
A whole Did you feel like you're starting to feel like a normal human being again?
Just a normal human being with a bit of a headache, because it is tight, but I know it goes away.
A little ibuprofen will take care of that.
Yeah, and plus they loosen up like over time, right?
Yeah. I feel like last time it took 24 hours.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, good.
Yeah, 24 hours and a bottle of wine. Back to normal.
Oh, look at that. Now you just have to do this again.
Yep.
One more time.
Yep, one more time.
And then you're all
One
done?
more row. Yep, and then she's done. And then we'll curl her, style her.
Do you have a name for her? I meant to ask you earlier, because mine's Destiny, because she's a little rat, you know?
Oh, it's a stripper. Your hair is
Destiny.
I've never named her, but I do refer to her as her.
Yeah, me too.
I feel like I should figure out who she was before I just like invent.
I also feel like my friends have started referring to her as a her, which is funny.
Yeah. Comment below, what should I name my hair?
Yes. All right, are you ready?
Yes.
Honestly, this looks so good. Like, it looks so good. I feel like I recognize you again.
I know, but who was I before? I was an imposter.
I know, but it looks so good. It looks amazing. I can't even say anything else. It looks amazing.
It looks
I
awesome.
feel so ready.
Okay,
You ready?
let's do it.
Yes.
All right.
Ah! Oh my gosh! It looks so good!
It really does.
Oh my God, I feel like a fresh new woman again.
Yeah, it looks so good.
I feel like Britney Spears in Stronger.
So now that it's all done, did you come up with a name for her yet?
Maybe her name is Brittany.
Oh, I love that.
It's
I was
so
actually
basic.
gonna suggest like a Bianca or something. So a B, maybe I was thinking.
Bianca is the like Target version of Brittany.
Of Brittany.
Which is the Walmart version.
Yeah, or like Kohl's. Not quite Walmart, but maybe Kohl's.
Yeah.
And you should just like walk down Sunset and be like, look at my hair to everybody.
That sounds terrifying.
All right, well that was fun.
I feel so much better. Do you think that if her name is Brittany, does she spell it T-T-A-N-Y or N-E-Y?
I feel like she's an N-E-Y. Like I feel like she for sure is an N-E-Y. But yeah, no,
so
I'm
good.
actually like, I'm really impressed with how awesome Sarah is.
I know.
She
so
does
good.
such a great job.
She's so thorough and she doesn't cut corners.
If you guys have extensions, we want to hear about them. What kind of extensions have you loved, hated, whatever? Drop it down in the comments or let us know if...
Is that this car? Or is that construction?
Y'all, that was so much fun.
So much fun.
So much fun. And if you want more fun, like a big roller coaster ride, you better click right over here because we have another awesome Clevver style video.
Do it. And subscribe.
Oh,
Subscribe.
Subscribe right down there. And comment or whatever.
Yeah.
Just do
All the things. Drinks.
Jinx.